प्रियंका चोपड़ा, शी इज़ अ सेल्फ मेड वुमन। उन्होंने सिर्फ बॉलीवुड में ही नहीं बट हॉलीवुड में भी अपनी जगह बना ली है। शी इज़ वन ऑफ द हाईएस्ट पेड इंडियन एक्ट्रेस एंड शी रेगुलरली रिप्रेजेंट्स इंडिया ओवर many international platforms. She is known for her hard work and dedication. Each and every day she inspires millions of people. She inspires millions of women to try harder, to reach for their dreams because they do come true. There is one common trait in all leaders out there, and that is they read. Whenever I research for my videos or for my post, I have seen that each and every person who have achieved something in life, they read. That's one thing common in each and every one of them. Priyanka Chopra is no exception. She also loves reading. She loves reading all kind of books, all genre of books, from racy murder mysteries to classics. She loves them all. In this video, we'll be talking about books that Priyanka Chopra loves. I'll be listing out all the books that I found on the internet, and we'll be talking a little bit about those books. So let's get started. First book that she absolutely loved is Letters from a Father to His Daughter by Jawaharlal Nehru. So इसमें जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने जो इंदिरा गांधी के लिए कुछ letters लिखे थे when she was studying in Missouri and he was far away from her. So उन्होंने उसमें अपनी political चीज़ों के बारे में लिखा है, अपनी personal life के बारे में लिखा है. And those letters that were directed to her, those 30 of those letters were published, and that is the book is all about. It's about that father-daughter relation, and as we all know, Priyanka was very close to her father as well, so there is no doubt that she loves this book. Second book on her list is Romeo and Juliet. Now, I don't even think that I need to introduce this book or tell anything about this book. Each and everyone, even people who do not read, even people who just run away from reading or who have never read a single book, they at least know of this book. Not that they have read, but they do know that Romeo and Juliet exists. It's such a classic, such a great book, such a popular book, and so many plays have been performed on this book. It's just, I don't think I need to say anything on this book. Next book on Priyanka Chopra's list is Tell Me Your Dreams by Sidney Sheldon. This book is very engaging, exciting, and full of thrills. It's based on multiple personality disorder or split personality, and this book will keep you wanting to read more. This book will, it's one of those page turners that you just can't stop reading, unputdownable book. So if you are in for a mystery or suspense or some exciting read, then yeah, pick this up. Next book on her list is Long Walk to Freedom by Nelson Mandela. It's his autobiography. He has written about everything from his childhood to his education to his struggle with apartheid in South Africa to being in jail for 27 long years. So if you want to read his inspiring journey, if you want to know more about him, because as for me, I'm very curious about these things. I love reading autobiographies. They give you that insight into other people's life. When you read about their emotions, their struggles, they start seeming more human other than the way we idolize these people. So autobiographies are great to get a sneak peek into other people's life and to see what happened and how that happened. I love it, and this one is very popular. I have seen that on so many pages. I have seen so many people recommending this book, and it's Nelson Mandela, so I'm sure this book is great, great. So even I'm thinking of picking this up soon. Next book on her list is Becoming by Michelle Obama. ये बुक मैंने पढ़ी है, मतलब मैंने इनकी ऑडियो बुक सुनी है, एंड दिस इज़ रियली ग्रेट. मिशेल ओबामा ने इस बुक में सब कुछ बताया है, फ्रॉम हर चाइल्डहुड टू हर एजुकेशन टू मीटिंग बराक ओबामा. दे आर कमिंग टुगेदर एंड वर्किंग फॉर देयर कंट्री टुगेदर. इट्स अमेजिंग. और ये जो बुक है उन्होंने बहुत रियली लिखी है, बहुत ऑथेंटिसिटी से लिखी है. सो जिस तरीके से उन्होंने सब कुछ बताया है, इवन हर स्ट्रगल्स विद बराक ओबामा or her struggles with her career. So reading about her journey, reading about her struggle, it was very beautiful. It was one of those books that make you feel good, and I definitely felt very good while listening to her book. And more importantly, her audiobook, she has voiced it herself, and her voice is so soothing. I just love it. So yeah, and it's a very beautiful book. So if you want to know more about Michelle Obama or Barack Obama, then definitely you can pick this one up. Next book on her list is Homegoing It's a historical fiction book about slavery and multi-generational saga of a family and their struggle. It's very heart-touching book, very heartwarming, heartbreaking book. Read if you want to read a book that will inspire you, or not just inspire you, that will open your eyes to new things, to different perspectives, then you should definitely pick this one up. Sitting at home, we kind of tend to zone away from the reality. We just see what is in front of us or what we see on news and media. We do not see what all is going on around the world, और कहाँ लोग किस कंडीशन में रह रहे हैं और किस सिचुएशन में जी रहे हैं, हमारी लाइफ कितनी ज़्यादा अच्छी है. So this book is very beautiful and well written, and yeah, you can just pick it up. Next one is Black Beauty. Priyanka Chopra loved this book when she was growing up, mainly because of her love for animals. What really touched her about this book was the journey of beauty from the master that she loved to being sold, and then the way animals are treated. It's heartbreaking. So basically, if you are an animal lover, you are going to love this book. So guys, add it to your list. Okay guys, so these were the books that Priyanka Chopra loves and recommends. I'm sure you must have heard of these books or read a few of these. Out of these, I've only read Becoming. Let me know which ones you have read and what do you think of them. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Thank you.